Hello and welcome back to the Motor House. I am continuing on with the Sabna restoration. I did break away for a little bit to take care of some of the other car issues that I had to work with, some of the other Lotuses, and now we're back to patterns. Specifically, right side, the damaged fender. This is the inside fender buck that I've made up. I'm starting to assemble it in place. I don't think I can put it all up in there in one piece. It's a little difficult. I did make some holes in it to probably lighten it up and to give me access to my hands through for adjusting things. But I'll get a close-up here in a moment. But I did realize there were some differences in left and right. I'll get to some specifics shortly. I'm doing this by flashlight, we'll say, by setting up lights, because if I try to do this, the lights above on the ceiling will cast so much glare into the phone that I won't be able to see much. But I did make up some stands coming off, and I'm shimming them. I'm putting shims in to bring it up. I think that's a better method than trying to make them 100% right off the bat, because there is some adjustments to be made. If you notice the bobbin, sorry for shaking a bit, the bobbin there, that is, I believe, the best locating point I had when I made the pattern for the left side. That bobbin is a fixed position on both sides, so it's a good reference point. And maybe I need to turn the light on this. Where's the button? Sorry, got to figure the button out. There it is. So you can see we're up. We're not 100% tight, but it's just basically getting it into position so that I'm assembling it in place, getting it. And some is a little tighter than others. And if you remember, on the other side I have a gas cap that's sunk in, which is makes it more difficult to make patterns on this side, because of I couldn't make a pattern around the gas cap because there's not one on this side. But okay. And the spacer blocks, that's the distance between each plate of the pattern. And you're looking at number 5 out of 7. They get built out. So this is just an update as to how this is progressing. I know as I get further outward here, it's going to be more difficult to get them to fit in place, because that is where the work that was done is just so off. Let's see, and you'll see there's no lip. There's a little bit of a lip left down here, and then the lip is gone completely. And as we get around to this lip down here, which is pretty much still there, some damage, but it's there. I gotta turn it this way, sorry. Now on the other side, that lip there is different, very different. Sorry, I'm laying down on the ground and trying to hold the camera without shaking it. Sorry, that's just what I'm dealing with. Hope it's not too bad on your end watching it. So that lip on this side is pretty much straight. On the other side, it is cut up and different for the exhaust pipe. So the patterns don't match 100% around that area. I'll give you a shot of it. And here's the left side showing the difference right here, where this goes straight across and up, where this is molded in. That's where the exhaust pipe goes. And there's the bobbin that I referenced on the other side. So that is the difference. Just a short video as an update of what's going on. Thanks for people who watch and follow this. I'll continue on with the restoration.